Welcome to Projex ERP Portal. In this Projex ERP tutorial series, today we'll learn how to record a sales order in the Projex ERP Portal. To get started, open your web browser and type projexrp.com. Once the website opens, you'll see the login option. Click on it to log in. If you haven't created your account yet, you'll need to register first. If you're not sure how to register, we've provided the registration tutorial link in the video description. For now, let's click on Login. On the login page, enter your user ID and password, select ERP, and then click on Click Here to log in. After logging in successfully, the Projex ERP dashboard will open. If you're logging in for the first time, you must complete the setup before you can access data entry, masters, or reports. Without completing the setup, you won't be able to enter any transactions. If you need help with the setup process, you'll find the setup tutorial link in the description below. On the dashboard, you'll see three main sections: data entry, reports, and master. The master section is used for one-time master data creation, such as items, accounts, item groups, bank details, GST rates, business location, and other master records. You only need to create these records once. Now, let's see how to record a sales order. Before we begin, let's understand why a sales order is important. A sales order is used to officially record a customer's order, confirm item details, manage inventory, ensure timely delivery, generate accurate billing, and track the status of the order. To create a sales order, click on Data Entry, then select Sales and click on Sales Order. The Sales Order entry page will open. Here, you'll see several fields that need to be completed. At the top, you'll enter the customer name, customer order number, customer order date, and job number. Next is the tax mode, which offers two options: item-wise and order-wise. In case of item-wise, the GST rate mapped with each individual item will be applied automatically. This is useful when different items have different tax rates, but in case of order-wise, a single tax rate is applied to the entire order after all items have been added. Now let's fill the details one by one. For example, let's select the customer Rahul Traders. We have created two accounts for Rahul Traders, one for Lucknow and another for Gorakhpur. When you type Rahul, both accounts will appear. Since this order is from Lucknow, we'll select the Lucknow account. Next, enter the order number, select the order date, and enter the job number. For example, we'll use R20. A job number is a unique reference number assigned to every order. Now, select order-wise as the tax mode. Next, add the first item. For example, select air conditioner, then choose the Havels model. Enter the quantity as 1. The item rate will be filled automatically based on the rate mapped in the item master. If required, you can manually edit the rate. Next, select the delivery date. If you want to offer a discount, you can enter it here. Otherwise, leave it blank. If there is a packing and forwarding charge, you can enter the percentage. You can also apply additional charges such as transport, insurance, or any other applicable charges. Now the first item has been added. To add another item, click Add More. For example, let's add a cooler. Select the medium size model, enter the quantity, and select the delivery date and add item. Now let's complete the footer part. Enter the station as Lucknow. If the consignee details are the same as the customer, simply select the consignee Same option, and if it different, you can add Also. The system automatically determines GST type, whether it's local or central. If the customer belongs to the same state, local GST will be applied. If the customer is from another state, IGST will be applied. Since we selected order-wise tax, we can now choose the tax rate. Now we'll select 12% GST for the entire order. As you can see, the system has automatically calculated 12% IGST. Next, select the customer type. If it's a business-to-business transaction, choose B2B. Otherwise, select the appropriate option according to your customer type. If you need to enter freight, transport, or insurance charges, you can do so here. Otherwise, you can leave these fields blank. Next, enter the warranty period. For example, we'll select 6 months. If you want to specify a payment term, choose one from the list. For example, 7 days after delivery. Finally, click Save. As you can see, the sales order has been saved successfully. If you want to create another sales order, click Add. Otherwise, click Exit. Now let's see how to view saved sales orders. Go to Reports, then Sales, and select Sales Order. Here, you can view all sales orders, including pending orders that require further action. Our latest order for Rahul Traders, dated June 17, 2016 from Lucknow, with job number R20, is now visible. The status column shows the current status of each order. If the status is pending, the order is still awaiting processing. If the status is D, it means the order has been dispatched. You can also see the pending value and total order value. Click Details to view complete item information. Click Information to see additional order details. If a sales invoice has already been generated, you can also view the linked sales invoice from here. I hope you found this video helpful. In the next tutorial, we'll see how to convert a sales order into a sales invoice. What tutorial do you want to see next? You can also comment your suggestions below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.